How to use Gemini AI mode in Google search. First, open the Google app on your phone, or open Google in your browser. Now, enter a question in the search bar. Once the results appear, look for the AI mode option and tap on it. You can also go directly to google.com/AI. Once you're in AI mode, you can ask much more detailed questions than a normal Google search. For example, you could type, "Compare the best budget smartphones under $300 and explain which one is best for gaming." Google will use AI to break down your question and search multiple sources to provide a detailed answer with links. You can also ask follow-up questions without starting a new search. Just continue typing in the Ask Anything box. You can even use your voice or an image to ask questions. Tap the microphone to speak or use Google Lens to upload or take a photo. If AI mode isn't showing, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that the feature is available in your country and language. That's it. This is how you can use Gemini AI mode in Google search to get more detailed AI-powered answers. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more Google AI and Android tutorials.